Hello, welcome. My name's Aaron, owner of Desert Power Wagons. Want to show you our latest build. We did this for a customer. Just kind of do a front to back, kind of walk around, talk about it a little bit. First thing I'll tell you about is all the cool parts we got on it, right? This is a ground up nut and bolt build. It's on a custom chassis by Tisdale Coachworks out of Indiana. A couple other parts that we got from Tisdale Coachworks while we're on the subject. It's all matched Tisdale's brand new fenders. We got a brand new cowl from Tisdale Coachworks, brand new bed, brand new tailgate, and brand new steps. Matt Tisdale's Tisdale Coachworks 4-link suspension. So that kind of rounds out most of the parts we got there. Matt, if I left something out, my apologies, my friend. We got Fox shocks, dual coilovers front and rear, remote reservoir shocks, LED headlights. So you notice a few things with the cab. We shaved the gutters. We've deleted the wipers. We added a Warn 12K. Few of the amenities when we come to the driver's side, you'll see, got to have the amp power steps, makes it easy to get in and out. We did a custom King Ranch, kind of a distressed leather inside of it. We got the Tisdale Coachworks LED lighting, door handles inside and out. We've got an I Did It steering column, tilt wheel, makes it super comfortable. We did a vintage air heat and air system, so you got heat and air conditioning. A couple other things inside, like I said, we did a alcantara headliner, full loop carpet, custom flooring. So not only does the truck look good, not only does it smell good, but it's super comfortable and luxurious inside. So come around here, you'll see running some Maxxis tires, some of my all-time favorites, the Razor MTs on some Brack Rhino rims. Custom bed, all brand new wood from Bedwood. Got backup lights, 2-inch receiver, opening for a rear winch. He's got backup camera, all new lighting, all new chains. Every nut, every bolt that we can do is stainless. Underneath the hood, I'll bring you around this way. We'll kind of show you the bad boy everybody wants to know. Kind of the diamond in the jewel box. This is a custom built 5.9, so kind of the classic Cummins build. You'll see how nice and how clean everything is in there, the way it's all laid out. And on top of that, it's attached to a 4.8 RE and an MP271 transfer case for 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, and go out and have some good times. So if this build interests you, let me know. I can build you something similar and build your dreams. Thank you.